Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Kia Niro 2. This car comes with a 1.6 hybrid petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 139 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 58 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 11 and this car has a low mileage of just over 9,000 miles and comes with full service history from Kia. This particular colour is the metallic ocean blue and looks in good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there are half leather and there's an armrest and two cup holders there for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and then Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control as well as automatic headlights and wipers. Cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and on the driver's door card you have the electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Niro is a nice practical car, so nice wide door opening there in the back if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. A good amount of leg room and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Kia too. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you'll first of all have some extra storage, and then below that you've also then got your tire inflator kit, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.